Hello followers and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you 3 truths about affiliate marketing and the reason you guys aren't making money from affiliate marketing. And I know a lot of you guys may have tried out affiliate marketing but it has not worked for you, but in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 truths about affiliate marketing and the reason you guys aren't making money from affiliate marketing. And I also know guys that I know a bunch of you guys may have checked out other YouTube videos about making money online and all that kind of stuff. You may have watched some online gurus that's talking about how you can make money online. You have tried affiliate marketing but it's not worked for you. Everything is just like difficult. But in today's video I'm going to be revealing to you the secret you need to know about affiliate marketing and also how you could be successful with affiliate marketing. So if that is what you are interested in, I would advise you like this video right now, smash that subscribe button right now and stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing with you a secret that no one is telling you right here on YouTube. So guys, with that said and do right now, let's dive into the video. So right now, the first truth about affiliate marketing is selling skills, because in order to be successful in affiliate marketing or in order to become a successful affiliate marketer, you need to know how to sell to people. You need to learn how to sell to people. You need to learn how to communicate with people. You need to learn how to convert your leads into paying customers. So this is the most essential thing, the most important thing in any affiliate marketing. If you are starting out affiliate marketing right now, you need to know how to sell to people, because if you do not know how to sell to people, they aren't gonna buy from you. Because I know a lot of you guys may have sign up for an affiliate marketing program online and you guys are just spamming your links all over there, and I'm telling you guys that people aren't going to buy from you if they don't trust you, if they don't know you. So right now I'm going to be moving up to the second truth about affiliate marketing that you guys don't know. So guys, the second truth is that affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick. So this is not a way that you're just gonna go into affiliate marketing and I'm gonna make your first on $100 million in the next 12 hours or that kind of thing. So if that is your mentality, I would advise you get rid of it. In order to be successful as an affiliate marketer, you also need to become a blogger. You need to learn how to write articles. You need to have a blog, because affiliate marketing and blogging goes together. Because affiliate marketing is only going to be successful, you are only going to make sales from affiliate marketing if you have a blog. And what I mean by that is, if you have a blog, you could literally write articles around the kind of product you are promoting on your blog. So for example, if you are promoting an email marketing software or any kind of tools, you need to write an articles around this product on your blog. Like I said, in order to be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to learn how to write articles. You need to become a blogger. See guys, I know a lot of you guys may have watched some of the online gurus that are going to tell you that in order to promote your affiliate link, you need to go to this website, you need to go to Quora.com, you need to go to a different kind of website, post your affiliate link, answer question. Guys, see, I've tried out this method, it has not worked for me. Like seriously, I've been on Quora for the past a year now. I've been posting links, posting affiliate links. I've never made a sales. To tell you guys that I'm in your shoes, I understand how it feels to not make sales from affiliate marketing. Like I said earlier, in order to be successful with affiliate marketing, you need a blog. Guys, you need a blog. If you do not have a blog, you need to get one. And like I said, if you know you are interested in getting a blog right now, I'll be leaving a link in the description. You need a blog. You need to get a domain name. What I mean by domain name is your blog.com, the name of your blog.com. So you understand what I mean by that. So you need to have a blog in order to be successful as an affiliate marketer. Like I said, in order to promote your product, you need to write articles around your product. So once you have a blog and once you already sign up for an affiliate marketing program, all you need right now is to write articles around that product. And once you write article, don't only write article around that product, you need to make sure to optimize your article. You need to learn how to rank articles to the first search of Google, because once you rank articles, your article is going to get views even in 10 years time and you're still going to make money. That's what we call passive income. That's how you can make passive income from affiliate marketing. And also that you are not only going to make money through affiliate marketing, you're also going to be making money through Google AdSense. Like I said, you will be making money through Google AdSense. What Google AdSense means, maybe once someone click on your blog to come and read some articles, they're going to click on an ad, and once they click on that ad, Google is going to pay you every single month. So this means you are going to be making money in 2 ways, guys. You can see right here. That's the reason I'm telling you guys now that if you are an affiliate marketer or you are an affiliate marketer, and you do not have a blog, I would advise you go get a blog. Go buy a blog, guys. Even if you do not have a blog, there are some free blogs that you can use. Blog, guys, I'm not going to advise you to go with a free blog, because of the free blog, they have some advantage and also they have some disadvantage. But I'm going to be recommending some free blog to you, like blogger.com. And if you want to use blogger.com, you need to have a domain name. Sorry, so you need to have a domain name. And in order to have a domain name, and the reason I told you guys to have a domain name is because Google AdSense is only going to monetize your blog if only you have a domain name. But if you're using bloggers domain, they aren't going to monetize your blog. So you need to have a domain name. And also, if you were thinking that where can you get a domain name, like I said, all the links are going to be down in the description. Just make sure you go check out the link. And guys, for the purpose of this video, I really went to make a deal with Namecheap. If you don't know what Namecheap is a domain website where you could buy domain, you could buy hosting and all of kind of stuff. So I've talked with them. They're going to be giving you guys a discount with just $10, guys. You could get a domain name for your blog, guys. See, if you're an affiliate marketer and you say you don't have money, guys, you're not going to make money, because in this life, in order to make money, you need to spend money in order to make money. That is just the reality of life. You need to spend money in order to make money. So if you are someone who say you do not have money, I would advise you go get a job, because if you are doing this online kind of stuff, you need to have a job. You need to do it as a side hustle. You can't just relent on this online thing, because this online thing is tough. You need money in order to make money, guys. That's the reason I'm telling you guys to get a domain name, have a blog on your own that you could start publishing articles, and you're gonna start making sales. So this is gonna move me to the step 3 truth that you guys don't know about affiliate marketing, which is communication skills. Because if you do not know how to communicate as an affiliate marketer, if you do not know how to communicate with people are not going to buy from you, guys. So that's the reason. So if you do not know how to communicate with people are not going to buy from you. You need to learn how to communicate with people. You need to learn how to talk to people, how to engage with people. The more you engage with people, the more people are going to see you, they're going to get close to you. From there you can literally sell from them, guys. So guys, I'm going to say these are the 3 truths about affiliate marketing that no one is telling you, guys. So if you have gotten any value from this video, I would advise you smash that subscribe button right now, like this video, and drop me a comment down below in case you have any question, and I'm going to be answering to your question. And also, I want you guys to do me a favor right now to go join our WhatsApp community group. And what we do on the WhatsApp community group is that we share with you tips and strategy that you can use to make money online. So if you're someone who's interested in making money online, I would advise you go join our WhatsApp community group. And like I said, if you've gotten any value from this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video. It really helps me a lot in making the kind of video for you guys. And with that said, I'm doing right now, a video is going to be popping up right here on your screen right now, also teaching you on how to make money online watching videos. So if you are someone who's interested in making money online, watching it now, let's go. And I'm going to see you guys in the video.